So hello my dear friends. Now today here in this session we are going to see about the first summative exam is there in that. In the last session what we completed up till question number 3rd we completed. Now we are going to continue for that. So model question number paper is there, that question paper pattern we are going to see, and also we are here I am solving the two questions for each main question I am going to solve. There are maybe yesterday we saw that objectives are there. So 4 marks, 4 objectives are there. But I solved here 2 objectives. Like that, second question is there. Which is the second question? Second question is write answers in one sentence. So that is also 4 marks. 4 questions are there. I solved there 2 questions. Now third question we solved there. There are 5 questions are there for the 2 marks. So for one question 2 marks are there. 5 questions are there for 2 means here 10 marks that is there, total 10 marks are there for one question, 2 marks each it is there for each question, 2 marks and so 5 to the 10 that 10 marks are there for the third question that we yesterday here saw in that session. Now here in this session we are going to see about the question number 4th. As we are seeing about the first summative exam 2020 model question paper pattern with examples solved. Here also for this main question number 4th is there. For that I am going to solve the 2 questions. Remember that which questions I am solving here, that are not only for your exam. I am going to give some only examples how I am going to ask for the here exam, like that here for only it is a pattern. That questions are not only that questions are coming for your exam, and I am going to solve here only 2 examples I am going to show here. But there are like yesterday we saw there are the 5 questions are there for 2 marks each question, but there I solved only 2 questions. Like here I am going to solve for question number 4. Answer the following question in 5 to 6 sentences each. So this is the question number 4 is the main question number 4. In that answer the following questions in 5 to 6 sentences each. Now this is the here 3 mark question. For each question 3 marks are there. 3 questions of 3 marks each. And so here for each question 3 marks means total for the question number 4 there are 9 marks. For each question 3 marks. So that question however they are going to ask. Sometimes they are in the main question they are going to be asked paragraph wise or 2 questions, small questions going to ask for 1 marks or for 1.5 mark, 1.5 mark. Like that way maybe also going to do. So here 3 questions of 3 marks each for question number 4. How many questions are there? 3 questions we are giving the, and for that 3 questions for each question 3 marks are there. This total 9 marks are there for that question. I am going to show here only 2. I am going to solve here only 2 examples for this main question. So in this here first example, first question I am taking here. Why should paper be saved? Prepare a list of ways by which you can save the paper. Why should paper be saved? So as you know, conservation of plants and animals are there in that lesson. We learned about the here about the paper how they are how it is important one, and how here it takes from one tree how much paper is there that it is going to form. About that also you learned. By that knowledge also you are able to write why should paper be saved and prepare list of ways by which you can save the paper. So here sometimes some students are there. They are using that book properly. Means they are not wasting papers. That is the way by which we can save the paper. Yes. But some are there children, some students are there. However, means only 1 line, 2 lines writing, and that page is leaving like that only. Otherwise, some scratches. However, they are doing, however they are going to write, and they are wasting the pages. They are tearing the pages. So don't do that one. So that is important. That is a prepare list by which you can save the paper. So for this question, answer how it will come. See, why should paper be saved? Because here a large number of trees can be saved by saving the paper. Paper from where we are getting? What is the source for the paper? Trees are the source for the paper. And if you are saving the paper, you are saving the trees. So, a large number of trees can be saved by saving paper. So, it is necessary to save the paper if we want to save the trees, because trees gives us oxygen, air, fresh air is there, rainfall is there properly. So, that is, if we are saving paper, we will save the trees. This will also save water. See, water is also so much important. Water quantity, ground level, the roots which are absorbing by the plants. So, this will also save the water that is used for manufacture of the paper. Because water is necessary for manufacturing of the paper. When here, formation of a large number of trees can save the be saved by saving the paper. But paper will form by the trees, and here when paper will form in the industry, that time the trees and water is necessary for the preparation of the or for formation of the paper, and so this will also save the water that is used for manufacturing of the paper. Water is necessary. So for manufacturing, the basic need is there for the paper. Paper will fall from the trees, but only trees are not sufficient to manufacture that. Here paper, here in the industry it needs water, and so if we will save the here a large number of trees are saved there, and by saving the paper, and this will also save the water here which is used for the manufacturing of the paper. So trees and water is necessary for the manufacturing of the paper. It will save, or this will also save that. Next, moreover, the harmful chemicals used in paper making will also show their effect, least effect on human beings and other organisms. See, here the harmful chemicals are there used in preparation. When there is a manufacturing of a paper, not only there it is using the water and trees, they also use the harmful chemicals are used for the paper making, for formation of the paper, for making of the paper. Here they will use the also harmful chemicals. So these harmful chemicals used for paper making also show their least effect on human beings and also other organisms. As you know, chemicals are there. They are very they are very dangerous effect on human beings and organisms. They are by the air pollution or by the water pollution. It will enter in our body, otherwise through the soil pollution. So, by many means like water, air, soil, that chemicals are there. If it is using for the paper making, and that will they live in the let out in the river, otherwise in the air, otherwise on the soil. That time there is a pollution causing, and it will here adverse effect or show its least effect on the human beings and also other organisms. So, we have to save the paper. See, why should paper be saved? This is the answer for that. So, here two questions are there in the one question. Why should paper be saved? The paper is there, a large number of trees are there, can be saved if here by saving the paper. If you are saving the paper, that time here there is a large number of trees are saving, and water which is necessary for manufacturing of paper, that is also you are going to save, and also there is harmful chemicals which are using for the manufacturing of paper making. They will use, it will show the least effect on the human being and the organism. So to avoid here the harmful effect is also not causing on the human being and here the organism, it is decreasing. So that is the first question over, that why should paper be saved? Now prepare a list of ways by which you can save the paper. Ways to save the paper. Which are the ways to save the paper? As I told before also, you are taking the papers unnecessarily. Yes. So first is there is here I written, that is the recycling of a paper. Paper is there which you used. Yes. Here that again recycle. So again send it to the industry and again recycling of the paper. Means that there is a avoiding the cutting of trees. The papers which you prepared first, that only again using for the recycling. So it will minimize the cutting of the trees. So recycling of paper. Economical use as I told before also. So think and use that paper properly, judiciously use that one. So that is economical use of paper. Next third one, paper should not be burned. Paper don't be burned. Paper here, sometimes you are tearing the pages, you are tearing the papers, and here that you are going to burn. So don't burn that one. As I told you, the papers is used for the recycling purpose, send it to the industry. So here these are the some ways are there to save the paper. So this question is there. It is for the 3-mark question. It is there, and so here this answer I expecting for the 3 marks question. So this is the one example I gave. Why should paper be saved? Prepare a list of ways by which you can save the paper. So this answer I am expecting. And also like this, from this lesson only not going to ask in any other lesson also there is maybe going to ask the questions for the 3 marks. So you should prepare that one properly. So this is the answer for the here. For this question, for the first example question. So now the next question, that is write a paragraph on a preparation of soil and soil. So as you saw the first question is there. Why should paper be saved? Prepare a list of ways by which you can save the paper. This is for the 3 marks. Main 4th question. It is the main 4th question is there, and in that main 4th question, this is the second question example I gave. This is the example purpose I gave a second question. So first as we saw, that is the why should paper be saved, and prepare a list by which we should here by which we can save the paper. Answer the following questions in the 5 to 6 sentences, and here 3 questions are going to ask, and here for each question 3 marks are there. So total there is 9 marks are there. So second example I am showing for the 3-mark question, that is the preparation of the here write a paragraph on preparation of soil, and second one is there B, that is the soil. See what I told you before also I told you, maybe asking one only question, and that one question is there for 3 marks. Now here I ask you write a paragraph on here preparation of soil, and also the soil is there. So 2 questions I asked for the here second question. So dividing them, maybe 2 asking or 3 asking, as I told you, 2 asking 1.5 mark for each question it is going up. And also maybe only 3 mark big question as I asked the first question. Here why should we save paper? Like that asking, otherwise maybe asking the 3 questions, maybe asking the 2 questions in a 1 question. So now here write a paragraph on preparation of soil, and second one is there, that is the sowing. So preparation of soil is there. So here in the preparation of soil is the first step. As you know, this is the crop production and management lesson is there. We prepared it properly. So you learn that one, and here in this preparation of the soil, what it is, write a paragraph, means what you know about the preparation of soil and what it is, why it is necessary. About that write. So the preparation of soil is the first step before growing the crop. It is a first step is there for the here, that is the preparation of soil. When farmers are there, they are growing any crop, they need here preparation of soil to grow the crops. And here it involves tilling and loosening the soil. So tilling and loosening the soil is very much important here. If tilling is there by the plowing machine, there is a tilling is going to take place. So loosening and turning of the soil, that is called as a here tilling. So here the first step, that is the preparation of the soil, is the first step before growing the crop. It involves the tilling and loosening. What is the tilling? It is nothing but the turning of the soil. That here because of the tilling, the soil will downside soil which will is there, that will come up, upside soil goes down. So that is the here turning and loosening of the soil is there, it is taking place. So here that is the process. Here the first step of the preparation, that is the before growing the crop, is the preparation preparation of soil, and it involves the tilling and the loosening of the soil. Then what is the use of that? What is the function of that? How it will help for the growing the crop? This allows the root to penetrate deep in the soil. So because of this, and there is a here preparation of soil we are going to do, which involves the tilling and the loosening of the soil. Here it involves because of that, this allows here the root to penetrate deep in the soil. Roots are there going deeper into the soil. Here they are penetrating deep in the soil, and so if they are penetrating means here they are going deep in the soil and to breathe easily even when they are deep, and they are breathing easily because when there is a turning and loosening of the soil, it will help for the plants to breathe easily when they are in the deep, and this allows roots are penetrating deeply in the soil. They will absorb their water minerals properly. It will help for the here plants. So this is about the preparation of the soil. Next one is there second question, that is the sowing. So in the main second here main fourth question is there. In the second question write a paragraph on the preparation of soil, and second one is there, that is the sowing. So now what is the sowing? So here about the sowing how help for the growing of the crops or in the field for the farmer, about that we should write. So what is the sowing? See, the process of putting seeds into the soil is called as the sowing. The process of putting seeds into the soil. So seeds which we will sow there, and here putting the seeds into the soil which we are in the soil, the seeds which we are sowing, that is called as the sowing method, and that tool is used traditionally for sowing seeds is funnel shaped. Traditionally in olden days they are using the funnel shaped tool for sowing the seeds, but nowadays a seed drill is used for sowing seeds with the help of a tractor. So here nowadays there are the seed drill is there, it is using. Before traditionally funnel shaped structure is there, or funnel shaped traditional method is there, the tool is there, that is the funnel shaped it is there, and they are using it for sowing the seeds. But nowadays they are using here seed drill here for sowing the seed with the help of a tractor. For tractor the seed drill is attaching, and here the farmers are sowing the seeds in their field. Next, this tool shows the seed uniformly at the proper distance and depth. And because of this tool, that is because of this seed drill, here it will help that for this tool is there, so the seeds uniformly there is the seeds are sowing, and here at a proper distance and the depth. At a proper distance, a proper depth is also necessary. Going deeply, how much it is there. At a proper, all seeds are there where they are sowing in the soil, that has a proper depth is there, and distance is also proper. In two seeds, there is a proper distance. Whatever there is a 10 cm, 20 or 40 cm, like that there is a distance that is keeping. In every plant, in each plant there is a proper distance and depth is there, proper one uniform sowing of the seeds are there. It is taking place. So here this tool is there, helpful for the seeds here. So uniformly at a proper distance and depth. So this is the preparation of the soil and the sowing of the seeds. This question is there. Means here this is for 1.5 mark, and this is also for 1.5 mark. So that is total. That question is there for the 3 mark. Means here example to write a paragraph on, that is asking for 3 marks. For each question there is 1.5 mark. 1.5 mark is there. As I told her, there is a first question is there. Why should this paper be saved, and list the user. Prepare a list by which we can save the paper. For that also 3 marks. I gave here, this is the question number main 4th is there. In the last session, question number 3rd up till there we saw. This is the main question number 4 it is there, and for this question there is for each question 3 marks are there. Total 3 questions asking the 3, and total for this question number 4 9 marks are there. So I gave here 2 examples for the 3 marks each. So this is for the question number 4. It is there. So thank you.